everyone, my name is Rayona and welcome to my channel. This hair is from the Rayona store on Amazon and it comes in this silver and pink box. It also comes with 2 wig caps, a pair of eyelashes, a thank you note, and fake tattoos. This wig is body wave human hair, 28 inches, 180% density, and a 13x4 HD transparent lace front. The hair feels really soft and thick. I'm also not getting much shedding as I run my fingers through it. The wig is also bouncy and looks pretty full, but it does have a corn chippy smell to it, so you should probably wash it before you wear it. The wig also has some lighter brown streaks of hair throughout it, and the ends look full. Again, this is a 13x4 HD transparent lace front, and on the inside of the wig are 4 combs and adjustable straps. I decided to curl the wig using this Remington flat iron on 410 degrees Fahrenheit. I also applied this Sleek It heat spray to the hair before curling it. I normally don't apply heat protectant to my wigs, but I wanted to try and see if the curls would look better or healthier.
Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, well, I don't wanna jinx it, baby.
So this is how the wig looks curled. It looks nice and the curls are bouncy. The hair also didn't really shed while I was curling it, but I'm not sure that the hair curls that well. Curls look a little off to me. They aren't as defined as I normally get them. And the wig looks like it has a bald spot, but I think the hair is just really thin there for some reason. So I put on the wig cap that came with the wig and I already cut the lace. Then I used this Maybelline Fit Me foundation, color 360, and a makeup brush to apply the foundation where I was going to part the wig and around the edges of the front of the wig as well. I did this because I didn't bleach the knots. And after that, I put the wig on and adjusted it to my liking. And it fit nicely, not too tight or loose. But I did cut some more of the lace once I put it on my head. Then I used this to glue the lace down. Keep in mind that I only keep my wigs on for a day at the most, so I don't apply a lot of glue. And I also used Got2b Ultra Glue Gel. Next, I made the part look a little better. I used the foundation again and a small makeup brush to make the part look closer to my skin tone and also make it look a little wider since I didn't pluck it. I also put some additional foundation around the sides of the lace. Then I used Style Factor Edge Booster and my edge brush to create baby hairs. You can also cut the baby hairs and style them that way, but I just never really do. This She Is Bomb hair wax stick was used to tame any flyaways and to make the top of the wig lay flatter. Lastly, I tied the top of the wig down with a scarf. So this is the final look. And I do like it. I think the hair is really pretty and looks full. The wig also was quick and easy to put on, but the hair did shed a bit while I was plucking the curls out, and it also looks a little too shiny to me, but that could be due to the heat protectant spray I applied. And I usually don't spray heat protectant on my wigs, but again, I was trying something new, something I thought would be healthier for the wig in the long run. And the curls also look a little looser than usual. The hair seems a little stringy as well, and like the curls are going to drop and fall any moment. And I do like the length of this wig, but it seems a little shorter than 28 inches to me. Overall, the wig is okay. It looks good, but it has its faults. And let me know what you thought of the wig and if you'd wear it. Also, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and let me know what other videos you want to see from me. And as always, thanks so much for watching. I'll see you next time.